Order and delivery process for InBox are divided into 6 categories. Order process is composed of PI requested, PI proposed, and PI confirmed. Delivery process is composed of ready, shipped, and completed. You can filter the order history for each process. Use the search box at the top left to filter order number, clinic name, and patient name. You can filter the order history by selecting a specific time period at the top right.